how to share screen on TikTok live stream. So if you want to share a screen on TikTok live stream, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. And then as you can see that here on the bottom, you will have post and live option. If you're eligible to go live, you will get the live option on the bottom. You need to click on that live. Once you tap on live, you will have this kind of interface. Now here on the bottom, you will have different options. You need to make sure that you're under your mobile gaming section, because if you want to share your screen, then with mobile gaming, you will be able to share your screen. Make sure that you're under the mobile gaming section and then click on go live. And you need to tap on start recording and go live, which will be on the bottom. And then tap on start now, which will be here on the right side. And that's it. Now wait for a few seconds, or just simply go with go live, which is on the bottom, and your screen will be shared. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.